So I wanted to go over one other thing, and that is that when you open a downloaded file, you want to be sure you're working in the desktop application. And some ways to tell if you're working in the desktop application. This is Word, so what you see up here in the top is the file name, and you have autosave turned on if this has been saved on your OneDrive. You'll see that. This is a save quick command you can use. You'll see the tabs, and you'll see the commands for the tab that you're on. So I'm on the Home tab, and you see all these commands here. And then down in your taskbar, you'll see that the Word icon is down here, and it has an underline indicating that Word is open. It means you have documents open in the Word application. So this is how you want to work. In contrast, let me show you. If you open a Word file in the browser application, the universal version of Word that works in a browser, you're going to remain in the browser, and you see these tabs that are other documents that are open in the browser. Whoops. And you will see a fewer number of tabs and fewer commands on those tabs. So here's the Home command, and you see it doesn't have near as many groups or commands as what I had when I was on Word, the desktop application. You've got lots of groups and a lot of commands within the groups. So that's another difference. And then finally, if you look down here in your taskbar, the Word icon does not have a line under it, meaning it's not open. So the reason I'm pointing this out is that you really want to use the desktop installed applications, not the browser versions, when you're working on your assignments, because you will be hunting for commands that just are not in the browser version. And things look different, and some of the directions just may not work because they were written for the desktop version of the application. So I hope that this is helpful to you, and I will look forward to working with you.